Let's meet here my M size JIBBIJUG.
And let's see my 420, we got 3 spout. Super women.
Inverse spout for 5 lines, lightweight at 170 grams.
And super magic.
Our spout for tulip pose and very easy to modify, very lightweight at 160 grams.
And X-Men.
Super long pointy spout for beginners.
My Warrior X-Men V2.
And let's check out V2 collection intense colors. Go shiny,
Purple shiny. Rainbow shiny. Gold matte. Rainbow matte.
pink rainbow matte.
Black shiny. Black matte. And still shiny. Still matte.
And let's see the real action of my X-Men V2 weighing 180 grams. The longer spout helped reach the surface, creating crisp and fine lines. Ideal for basic patterns. Nice and easy.